Everything's difficult. Help me help you.
Ooh, what's going on, guys? TSSXD here, and welcome back to another video. Now, as you can see in the title, this is now my channel's trailer, and basically, this is what to be expected if you watch my content. But as you can also see, this is also an unboxing video. Yep, haven't done one of those in a while. Here's a picture of the title of the last one. Anyway, I got some new Skull Candy inked brand headphones, and I wanted to unbox them. Also, I didn't want to really do this on camera because I didn't feel like it was good enough for its own video, so I'm going to be doing this, and I'm going to be saying what's going to be happening on my channel for new viewers, because my channel honestly has been growing exponentially fast, and I know I only have 44 subscribers, but that has happened really fast, so I'm just thankful for that, and I hope that I can keep making videos that make you guys happy. Also, thanks for always joining my streams. I love how you guys can do that, and also thanks for leaving the likes. And honestly, on one of my most recent videos, it was 2 days ago, I got 30 views extremely fast, and I don't know why you guys like that so much, but thanks anyway. So anyway, I hope you guys like this unboxing video, and I'm also going to be doing another section explaining for new viewers what my channel is really about after this part. So anyway, let's begin. Now, after opening this box of Skull Candy ink brand headphones, as you can see, they were blue mint colored, and they were extremely beautiful. But it also took me a little while to get them out of the box, so yeah. Alright, after finally getting them out of the case, now time to test them out.
Hey, I just met you, and this is crazy, but here's my number, so call me maybe.
Alright, that worked pretty good, but now let's try max volume and see how high they can go.
Ooh, yeah, look on, yeah, I came in with a saw. Ooh, yeah, I came in with a saw.
Alright guys, so as you can see from those obviously amazing examples, you can tell that they work extremely well. But anyway, that's mostly what I wanted to show you guys. Now, these headphones are really good personally to me. Now, I don't know if you guys would want something like this, but if you want them, they're sold on Amazon and Amazon Prime, which is where I got them from. So if you want them, you can go just search those up at Skull Candy ink blue headphones. So if you want that, you know, you could do that. But anyway guys, enough with this part. It's already getting long enough. Time to get into the real juicy part of this video. Anyway, what up guys? TSSXD present me this time. You're currently listening to audio by the Skull Candy ink mint blue earphones this time, mic. So let's just get all up close to each other. Let's just get personal here. But anyway guys, enough of that fake stuff. I honestly want to say these are really good headphones. I personally like them a lot. I would honestly describe them as they're earphones, but they're speakers as earphones. Now, I'm not sponsored by these, and I'm not saying that you should go get them, but if you want to get these, they also come in more colors like black, green, pink, not love bug, green, and I think gold. So anyway, just saying that, not sponsored, but I really like them. So anyway guys, my name is TSSXD. This is my new channel trailer, and this is what new people will be seeing if they join. So yeah, TSSXD is my name, which is also an acronym, if you can tell by my channel header, which stands for The Silent Sniper XD. And if you want to know the origins of that name, 100% leave down in the comments if you want me to tell you about that. I'll be making a separate video about that if you guys want to know. Anyway, my name is Silent Sniper XD. I am a mobile YouTuber, which means I do everything on my phone, so obviously it's not going to be as good as people who play Fortnite and stuff like that, but I try. I do daily vlogs along with occasional gaming videos, plus I stream Balloons Tower Defense battles every Saturday from 9 AM to around 11 AM for everyone to come. And I also first people live, So if you're lucky enough to have 2 devices and want to watch on one to know my strategy, because that's what some people don't realize. If you lose on stream, you have a free excuse because everybody knows what you're going to do when they hear you say it, so they can think one step ahead of you. So anyway, I like to verse people live on streams too, and I also am always looking for new subjects for you guys to leave in the comments. But anyway, I like to do videos like this. I like to post every day, but sadly, when I post every day, the ideas kind of get jumbled up, and it's not going to be as good. Anyway, also, this video and a couple other videos, and honestly, most of the videos on my channel that I want to be doing are mostly 10 minutes long, and I'm gonna try to make this one at least 8 minutes long, but my arm is already getting tired, so it's time to switch hands. So anyway guys, like I said, I am a mobile YouTuber and I record everything with my phone. So if you want like facecam gaming videos, it's not the easiest thing to do. So also, if you guys are starting off being YouTubers or want to be YouTubers, as you can see, you don't need to have anything good to do it, because at the time that I may look back on this, for all I know, I could be bigger than PewDiePie, but at the same time, all you gotta do is try, because at the same time, I made 44 subscribers just using a phone and earphones. So yeah, at least I'm doing something right. So anyways guys, that's basically what I like to do. Vlogs, live streams, gaming videos, they always come. Also, this is an important factor I want to mention to you guys. So anyway, for you that already know what this is, I'm gonna put it in, because currently the year is 2018, as you guys know. But for some of you, you'll be watching this later in the future, and maybe in the future I won't stutter this much. But anyway, the other arm's getting tired now because I have no muscle strength apparently. So anyway, the shout out competition. Not really a competition as much as a put your name down in the comment and I'm going to say it in about 2 months. Anyway, the shout out competition started like a week ago and is ending on December 1st. So if you guys want to join it, put your names in the comments, and if you want me to say something special to you too, like to my best friend, blah 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 blah, put that down in the comments as well. Now for people in the future who are going to be doing this too, or if you're going to look back on this video, I'll still be trying to mention you in future shoutouts if it's only been like a year later. So anyway, yeah. Anyway, I hope you guys like that first part. I feel like my editing is getting at least a little better, and I hope you like the music that I'm putting in the background, because luckily the way I'm doing it now, I can't get copyrighted. Yeah. And also, I didn't exaggerate at all when I put the song in the background, when I was really going like I wasn't exaggerating that. If you put these full blast right now, they will go that loud, not even a lie. So I just want to go. So if you like really loud headphones, and if you like headphones that will block out sound around you, 100% get these. Plus they come with a mic, and this could pause your YouTube videos, as you know, stuff like that, like this one. So anyways guys, that's a main thing I wanted to tell you. I'm pretty sure that the recording time is coming around maybe 8 minutes, I don't know. But anyway, that was a sum up. Right now, the least I'm going to tell you about my life is I am in high school right now. I haven't gotten a haircut in probably a month, and I haven't shaved in a while, so that's growing in. And yeah, pretty much that. Like I said, TSSXD. At the beginning of my YouTube career, I like to call it career because eventually I could be making money off of this. You never know. At the beginning of my YouTube career, my name was The Silent Sniper XD, and I changed it to TSSXD because honestly, when you want to search something up like this, nobody wants to write out that many letters. They just want to click it and find it fast. So now it's 5 letters as my acronym. So yeah. Also, honestly, my friends and me, we don't do co-ops that often, but 100% check out these people right here, which I'm pretty sure are Expert Grunt, Galaxy Gaming, and Intersectables 05. Now these are my personal good friends, and you should go check out their channels, especially Expert Grunt because he has the most subscribers out of all of us currently. So anyway, yeah, that's pretty much it. This video is getting pretty long right now, but for you new fans, I'm hoping that I described enough. And yeah, So that's most of it. My name is TSSXD, and I will see you guys in the next video.